Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to take burst shots on this device. So first you should launch your camera, and on the right upper corner tap to the burger menu. Now just go here to the settings and scroll a little bit down to the press and hold shutter button. Now just tap there, and now we just have switched the record video. Also we can switch that to the focus one or to the burst shot, and just we'll switch it here. And now we'll just go back to the camera, and just to take the series of the pictures, tap a little bit longer to your camera, and as can you see here, we got the okay, so we can take a more picture in a couple of seconds. So that's how it looks. And if you want to just turn off this option again, just go here to the settings and press tap here to this section and switch it to the record video or to the focus. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.